Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 1-15 front leaf spring hanging bracket upper spacer for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. So let's get designing. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex and we're building the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. This episode is going to be doing part 1-15 front leaf spring hanger bracket upper spacer. Man, that's a big name for a little part. So let's get into it. And yeah, when you see a little part, you understand what I mean by this. So we're going to go to right. We're going to create 2 circles. Yep, I'll start off with 1 circle. That's going to be 19 diameter. And that's going to be 19 extrude. Now let's go line, midpoint, 19, and done. Okay, now we want to go. Now you can do this one of 2 ways. You can do a circle on that end and pull out, circle on that end, pull out, then pull through. Or you can do 1 circle in the middle. You might do that on this one as well. So let me do that. So we create a new. Oh, exit that. The right one, sorry. That one. So now we want another circle. And we want that to be 10 diameter. Yep, 10. And that's going to be feature. It's going to be, that one's going to be 25, 1933 or 25. So 25. And done. There you go. So you could have done like in there and got out 3 mil, gone that one's gone out 3 mil, all one piece. Either one works fine. There's no issues either way. Okay, so now let's normalize that one. We're now going to do a sketch on this one. We're going to do another circle. Now I'm doing the end of this one for a reason, because this circle is going to extract. It's going to be. Oh, cancel. I read something wrong. Exit sketch. This one here. Nope, that's not what. This one should be 14, sorry. Not 10. Okay. Exit sketch. Bring that one down. Let's go to this one. This one is 10. 10. There we go. Yeah, I looked at the wrong one. Looked at the wrong side. So that's 10. So that's at the end there. So now I can go to. I could have done front page and extrude either way, but this is easier. Again, either way is fine. Extrude through all. And done. And there's that piece done. So thank you for coming along. Very short piece. As I said, now you can see what I mean by big name for a little piece. Thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Thanks again for everyone's support. Click that like button if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you want to see more. Leave any comments, got any suggestions, comments, or say hi. Appreciate that. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.